When you make TransTec your electronic power steering partner, we guide you through our 3-step EPS program to help you master the components of effective EPS service. 3. Rebuild it right. You may already have the capability to troubleshoot and diagnose EPS. That means you're one step ahead of the competition, and we can help you stay there too. When it comes to rebuilding an EPS unit the right way to help prevent comebacks, using TransTec sealing technology and electronic components will lead to the highest quality rebuild jobs. There are various scenarios that you will encounter with EPS units, as well as options for repairing or replacing electronic components. Typically, the level of expertise in your business will dictate your approach. Mechanical overhauls remain a top concern, but you'll need to decide if electronic component replacement or electronic component repair works best for your business. We can help every step of the way, but it's not just your expertise that matters. It's also the quality of the parts you put into the rebuild that determine every job's success. As a brand of Freudenberg-NOK, the world's largest producer of OE sealing products, quality is the promise you get from TransTec. Our seal kits include more original equipment content than any other aftermarket brand. Using the exact same OE components that built the original unit is one of the best ways to ensure the highest quality repair. We also put the highest level of research and industry expertise into our processes so that you can be confident in the success of every rebuild. Thanks to our comprehensive evaluation process, we guarantee that our kits include every part you need for a complete rebuild. Additionally, advanced forecasting, as well as our window into the OE developments at Freudenberg, ensure that our kits cover 92% of vehicle applications, import and domestic, more than any other brand, before you'll even see them in your shop. At TransTec, we have the EPS industry expertise you need, the experts on call to answer your questions at any time, and the products and solutions for the highest quality rebuilds. And we make it easy to get started, no matter where you are in your EPS transition. We'll help you get into the EPS game or stay in it as a partner that can help you offer your customers the very best in rebuilds while adding revenue and margin to your business. Whether you are just getting started or looking to improve your EPS business, let's talk. Scroll down to learn more and sign up for a consultation today.